Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel Mongoose Trading. Today I'm going to be showing you the strategy I use to trade volatility index 75, or otherwise known as vix75. The strategy's name is pending the reversal strategy. I will have a link in the description to where I got the strategy. So first of all, what you can trade instruments is all. The time frame is 15 minutes and above. Secondly, the indicators to be used is number one would be a moving average of a period 100 exponential high. So let's quickly insert that indicator. Indicator, trend, moving average, exponential, period 100, method exponential, apply to high, and I choose the color blue. I'll say okay. Your second indicator you'll be putting onto your chart would be another moving average of a period 100 with an exponential low. Insert trend, moving average, exponential, method exponential, apply to high. This one is going to be applied to low, and I'm going to change the color to red, and I'm going to say okay. The third and final indicator we are going to place on our chart would be Bollinger Band. Insert trend, Bollinger Band, and they will be of a period of 10, deviation at 2.3, and applied to close. The style I'm going to choose is going to be yellow. So the requirements for making a buy transaction in an uptrend: the price is above the red line, moving average, period 100, exponential low. So when price is above the moving average 100 low, wait for the moment when the price either reaches or breaks down the bottom line of the Bollinger Band. Buy when price goes back above the bottom line of the Bollinger Band or at the opening of the next candlestick. So let's quickly look for a few buys on here. I'm going on the 15-minute chart, which is where I had most of my good trades on VIX. Okay, so let's look here. So this would be a area for me to look for a buy here, around here. Around that area I'll be looking for a buy, because it's above the red moving average, close to the Bollinger Band at the bottom. So let's see if we can look for another buy. Here is another nice buy opportunity right here. I'll buy on the open of the next candle. See if we can find another buy. Here is two. There is a very nice buy for you to take. Here's also another buy. So now for taking profit, close the order if a price either reaches or breaks the upper line of the Bollinger Band. So if I open a buy here, I would take profit there. And for stop loss is at the level of the nearest local low. So that would be by there. My stop loss would be there. Let's just put in, my buy would be there. So that is almost 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, which is what they also prefer, is to take a 2 to 1 stop loss. That would be all for the buying part of the strategy. Let me quickly go on to the selling part, or when to sell on the strategy. So for downtrend, the price is below the blue line, moving average, period 100 exponential high. Wait for the moment when the price either reaches or breaks down the upper line of a Bollinger Band. Let's look for sell. The VIX is most of the time in an uptrend move, but let's see. So here is a nice buy opportunity, and here is another buy opportunity, but keep in mind you want to follow the trend. So these sells I won't take, but you can take them as soon as it moves to 1 to 1. You can move your stop loss to break even. Here's another nice sell, but it didn't break the Bollinger Band, so that wouldn't be a sell for me. Let's see if we can find more sell opportunities here. Here's a nice sell opportunity. There's another one right next to it. And here's almost a perfect sell entry right here, coming right out of consolidation. Now if you're not too sure what consolidation is, it is when price is failing to make new higher highs and new lower lows. It's almost as if price is just moving sideways from left to right, just staying in a little block. If you draw a square around it or a rectangle, you'll see that the price stays in this little block. That is also consolidation. So if you were to sell there, you'd get a nice few profits. Let's see with the closing conditions required for closing transaction. Close the order if the price either reaches or breaks down the bottom line of a Bollinger Band. Stop loss is at the level of the nearest high. Take profits is in the ratio of 2 to 1 stop loss. So it's basically exactly like how you buy, it's just turned around for the selling method. So if I was going to look for a sell at any one of these points and sell at the next candle open, that would be my open, and my stop loss would be right above there, with my take profit being 2 to 1. So my take profit would be around this area. So if you did take the trade there, you'd have quite a few profits or pips collected, and it is a nice little short trade of about 16 bars. Now that is only on the 15-minute time frame. If you go and look at the same strategy on a 1 hour and a 4 hour, I've also seen on the 4 hour where it helps a lot actually. So here on the 4 hour you can see right off the bat that there is quite a few buying opportunities, and with buying say around there, the stop loss at the last local low would be around there, and your take profit 2 to 1, you would have been taking profit in, it'll take about almost 3 days, but you'll have quite 8.39% on your, depending on your account size, but that is about the take profit you'll get. As well, if you did take a trade here, let me just move this square over for you so you can see. Here is more buying opportunities right here. So in this little block there's 1, 2, about 3 buying opportunities, which is if your stop loss was at the local low, which would be around there, your open traded and next candle open, say if you're going from here, be there, and your take profit, which would be 2 to 1, would have been around there. So as you can see, the strategy quite works well as long as you just stay patient and keep to the rules of the strategy. You'll make profits, decent profits in a good amount of time, I'd say. That would be all for today. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Let me know in the comments if the content was helpful. Happy trading.